It's your boy Markatron 3000. It's June 2019. I'm in Prague. I'm in Holešovice. I need to either buy a phone or a watch because I have a phone that doesn't work. I've got no watch. I'm out double commando. I don't know what time it is. I can't use Google Maps. I don't know this area. I'm trying to find a shop called Alza which sells all the electrical stuff. So at least I can, at the very least, get a watch. So at least I know what time it is. This is Holešovice. Dequam. But where is Alza? I've been told it's up here. Oh, hello, what's this? Just got here last night. All we did was went for a meal in a local restaurant, had a couple of drinks in the bar. My friend Matt's gone home, back to England today, so I'm riding solo now for the rest of the trip. Absolutely exhausted after the week in Hungary and like a couple of days in Bratislava, just having it large. Dog. But got to keep going. There's stuff to explore in Prague. I've been Prague. Been here twice before, but there's still stuff to discover. I need to go and see it. Cobbles you see everywhere in Prague on the pavements. How much work is that? Putting them little square cobbles in, making them little square cobbles and then laying them nice. Alza in Holešovice for all your electronic needs. I'm going to go in here. I need an SD card for the camera. I need a phone. I possibly need a watch. So yeah, we're going to go in here and check it out. This is the area we're in. Place to get everything, mobile phones, iPhone, watches, headphones, whatever. I was hoping to get like a cheap watch. I don't know if I'll get one in here. These are all like expensive digital watches, you know, for connecting to your phones and things like that. What have we got here? 8,000. Hang on, all black 5,000. I don't know, I'm going to have a good look around, see what all the options are in here. Sports watches, right? Cameras. Right, yeah. Pretty much seen everything. Yeah, I'm going to talk to some people, see if we can get an SD card and get a watch. Got everything here, drones, webcams, cameras, everything, laptops, yeah. I really want is a watch, but nothing too to break the bank. So I've picked a watch I want to buy. I've been told you've got to follow orange. You've got to follow orange sign to the pay desk. You pay for it, then you follow green to go and collect. It's a bit like Argos kind of system. Hang on, where's the orange signs? Got to keep following the orange. We're following the orange. Orange. Keep following the orange. Alright, you pay up there. Bought a watch and an SD card for my camera, so now I go to the collection point. I follow green. You follow green arrows, green circles with a blue arrow for the collection. Collect the goods. So same setup as Argos. Let's go and get my goods. Hang on, here we go. Collection point down there somewhere. Down here. Collect my goods. It's just like Argos said, 593. I'm not on the board yet, so just gonna have to be patient. I got my watch. I got my new watch. I think it cost me 500 crowns. That's So I got my watch, I'm no longer double commando, I'm just out commando without no phone. I do have my underpants on today, so I'm only single commando. I'm gonna go back out and explore Holešovice. I wanna check out docks, I wanna check out Cross Club. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go to Žižkov and check Kalin and Žižkov and check out them. I'm gonna check out all the districts. I'm gonna skip all the main stuff in Prague, because I've done it all before. Just check out Prague districts. I'm going to show you what you can find in the Prague districts. So